Today we are going to start revision number 2 of chapter number 11 constructions. So let us start with the left out question of 1 from first exercise.
ओके सो जस्टिफिकेशन एग्जाम में नहीं आता है, केवल कंस्ट्रक्शन ही आता है. सो लेट्स ड्रॉ ए लाइन सेगमेंट ओबी. ओबी ड्रॉ करने के बाद हम लोग क्या करेंगे? दिस इज वेरी इजी. यहां से 60 डिग्री ड्रॉ करेंगे, यहां से 60 डिग्री ड्रॉ करेंगे. बोथ विल इंटरसेक्ट एट पॉइंट ए. ओके, नाउ 60 डिग्री कैसे ड्रॉ करेंगे? विथ सेंटर ओ एंड बी वी विल ड्रॉ टू आर्क, okay, of some convenient radius, right, which will intersect OB at point CP, C and P respectively. Now with center C, draw another arc of same radius which will intersect the previous arc at point D, and with center P we will draw another arc with which will intersect the previous arc at point E. Okay, now we are going to draw through OD one line, okay, and through BE another line. ठीक है, O और B से दो लाइन ड्रॉ करेंगे. both will intersect at point E. Then AOB is the required equilateral triangle. Whether construction is clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so we'll draw one line OB. इसको मार्क करेंगे O से, राइट, एंड इसको मार्क करेंगे B. देन आफ्टर दैट वी विल ड्रॉ 60 डिग्री एंगल फ्रॉम बोथ द पॉइंट्स. पहले O से एक आर्क ड्रॉ करेंगे विच विल इंटरसेक्ट OB एट पॉइंट C. ओके, इसको मार्क कर लिए C से. फिर C से हम लोग एक आर्क ड्रॉ करेंगे विथ सेम रेडियस विच विल इंटरसेक्ट द प्रीवियस आर्क at point D. Okay, now we will draw a line through OD. एक लाइन ड्रॉ कर ली है. नेक्स्ट 60 डिग्री यहां से ड्रॉ करना है, सो विल ड्रॉ वन आर्क which will intersect OB at point. We'll take this as P. With center P we will draw one more arc of same radius which will intersect the previous arc at point E. Now through BE we will draw one line, so it will intersect the line through OD at point A. Okay, so AOB is the required triangle, and now we are going to verify all the three angles. 60 degree होता है ना इक्विलैटरल ट्रायंगल का, एक ईच एंगल ऑफ इक्विलैटरल ट्रायंगल इज इक्वल्स टू 60 डिग्री. दैट वी आर गोइंग टू वेरीफाई. सो दिस इज 60 डिग्री, राइट, एंड दिस एंगल 60 डिग्री. नाउ विल मेजर दिस एंगल आल्सो, राइट, दिस इज आल्सो 60 डिग्री. ओके, एनी डाउट इन दिस कंस्ट्रक्शन?
No, sir.
No, sir.
Okay, now we are moving towards one more special construction of triangle. We are going to start the construction in which base is given and one base angle and the sum of two sides are given. Now this type of construction is very important for your annual exam. एक construction definitely आता है exam में. So मैं फिर से बता रहा हूँ, base और एक base angle or sum of other two sides if it is given. So what we have to do, we have to start with first draw a line segment of base BC is equals to 7 centimeter. Second, measure and draw angle B is equals to 75 degree. Already in the previous class I told you that whenever in the question if 60 degree, 30 degree, 45 degree, 90 degree and 120 degree, 135, 175, 105 degree is mentioned, don't use protractor, you have to use compass. Okay, 75 degree अभी just now we have seen that how to draw 75 degree. एक बार और मैं फिर से बताऊंगा. and draw ray BX. 75 डिग्री ड्रॉ करके रे, देखो यहाँ पर BC हम लोग ड्रॉ किए 7 सेंटीमीटर. ओके, फिर यहाँ से 75 डिग्री हम लोग ड्रॉ किए, दिस इज रे BX. ओके, और the sum of two sides is given 13 centimeter. तो हम लोग क्या करेंगे, with center B and radius 13 centimeter we will draw one arc which intersect BX at point P. Then we will join CP. उसके बाद CP join करेंगे, फिर CP का हम लोग perpendicular bisector draw करेंगे. So perpendicular bisector कैसे draw करेंगे, with center C and radius more than half of PC we will draw two arcs on the both sides. Similarly, with center P and same radius we will draw two arcs on the both sides which will intersect the previous two arcs at point Q and R. Now join QR. जब QR को join करेंगे it will intersect BP at point A. Now join AC. Join AC. So the triangle ABC is the required triangle. So this is the construction. Whether construction is clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay. First we will draw BC is equals to 7 centimeter. Approximately we will take 7 centimeter. Okay. इसको यहाँ पे B मार्क कर लेते हैं और उसके बाद इसको C मार्क कर लेते हैं. Okay. Now we have to draw angle 75 degree through B. So we will draw one semicircular arc which will intersect the line BC at point. We'll take it as point F. With center F, again we are going to draw the arc of same radius which will intersect the previous arc at point D. Okay, so ये वाला point D mark कर लिए. Now with center D, again another arc we will draw of same radius which will intersect the first arc at point E. Okay, now with center E and D we are going to draw two arcs on the same side. Okay, the radius should be more than half of AD. Both will intersect at point M. यहाँ पे point M यहाँ पे note कर रहे हैं हम लोग. Okay, उसके बाद फिर BM से line draw करेंगे. We will draw a line through BM. So we got 90 degree. अब 90 और 60 के बीच में bisector draw करेंगे तो we'll get 75 degree. So we'll mark this point as P. N. Okay, N. Now we will draw with center N and D two arcs on the same side. Both will intersect at point. We'll mark this as point N. Again N हो गया. You can change it to P because already we have taken N. Then we have drawn a line through BN. Okay, extended line थोड़ा लंबा draw करेंगे. फिर हम लोग B से 12 सेंटीमीटर का आर्क यहाँ पे कट करेंगे. Okay, we will draw one. The sum of two sides is given 12 centimeter. Then let this point be P. Now we will join CP. Okay, PC को join करेंगे हम लोग. उसके बाद we will draw the perpendicular bisector of PC. We will draw the perpendicular bisector of PC. So point C से एक arc draw किए. Same radius point P से draw करेंगे. Both will intersect at a point. Now we'll draw this side. Point C से draw कर रहे हैं और point B से draw करेंगे आप. Okay. So both will intersect at 2 points. Now we are going to join these 2 points. Okay, Q और R ले रहे हैं. इसको R से denote करेंगे, इसको Q से. Now we will join QR. Okay, QR को join कर लिए. Now this perpendicular bisector intersect BP at point A. Okay, now we will join AC. AC को join करेंगे. So after joining we'll get a triangle ABC. उसको फिर से redraw कर रहे हैं हम लोग. This triangle. So green color so that it will be highlighted. Okay. So इसको fill भी कर लेते हैं. So ABC is the required triangle. Okay. So now we will move towards another. Before that let us measure the angle also. ये वाला angle 75 degree था, right? Exactly. So triangle ABC is the required triangle. Okay. Okay. So any doubt in this construction?
No, sir.
No, sir.
Okay, so next question. Construct a triangle ABC in which BC is equals to 8 centimeter, angle B is equals to 45 degree, and the difference of two sides is given 3.5 centimeter. देखो पिछले वाले क्वेश्चन में बेस दिया हुआ था, बेस साइड दिया हुआ था, one base angle is was given and the sum of other two sides. यहाँ पर base side, one base angle and the difference of other two sides is given. The process is same. जैसा हम लोग first question में जो किए same वैसे ही करना है. So we'll draw one line segment of 8 centimeter. Okay, 8 centimeter का line segment draw करेंगे. Now we will draw 45 degree angle because one base angle is given 45 degree. सो यहाँ से 45 डिग्री हम लोग ड्रॉ करेंगे. 45 डिग्री ड्रॉ करने के लिए पहले 90 डिग्री ड्रॉ करेंगे, फिर 90 डिग्री का बाइसेक्टर ड्रॉ करेंगे तो 45 डिग्री आ जाएगा. नाउ द डिफरेंस इज गिवन 3.5. तो यहाँ से हम लोग 3.5 का एक आर्क ड्रॉ कर लेंगे. वी विल ड्रॉ वन आर्क विच इंटरसेक्ट ए बी दिस रे एट पॉइंट Q. फिर QC लाइन ज्वाइन कर लेंगे, फिर QC का परपेंडिकुलर बाइसेक्टर ड्रॉ करेंगे विच विल इंटरसेक्ट BX. इसको मैं BX लिख लेता हूँ, BX एट पॉइंट A. ओके, सो पॉइंट A को फिर C से ज्वाइन करेंगे, देन ABC इज द रिक्वायर्ड ट्राइंगल. कंस्ट्रक्शन समझ में आ गया?
Yes, sir.
परपेंडिकुलर बाइसेक्टर पिछले क्वेश्चन में अंदर साइड में इंटरसेक्ट किया था, यहाँ पे बाहर साइड में इंटरसेक्ट कर रहा है. ओके, सो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल वी विल ड्रॉ वन लाइन सेगमेंट. ओके, इसको मार्क कर लेते हैं पॉइंट B, इसको मार्क कर लेते हैं पॉइंट C से. फिर यहाँ से हम लोग को क्या ड्रॉ करना है? 45 डिग्री. सो फर्स्ट वी विल ड्रॉ 90 डिग्री. तो एक सेमी सर्कुलर आर्क ड्रॉ कर लिए विच विल इंटरसेक्ट BC एट पॉइंट F D. Okay, with center D we will draw one more arc which will intersect the previous arc at point. इसको point E ले लेते हैं. Yes, with center E again we will draw one more arc which will intersect the previous arc at point F. Now with center E and F we will draw two arcs on the same sides. पहले E से ड्रॉ किए, अभी F से ड्रॉ कर रहे हैं. Both will intersect at point. We'll take it as a point M. ठीक है, उसको मार्क कर लिए हम लोग. Now we'll draw a line through BM. So we got 90 डिग्री. अब इसका बाइसेक्टर हम लोग को ड्रॉ करना है. इसका बाइसेक्टर ड्रॉ करने के लिए हम लोग इसको पॉइंट P ले लेंगे. ओके, नाउ विद सेंटर P एंड D वी आर गोइंग टू ड्रॉ टू आर्क्स ऑन द सेम साइड. पहले D से ड्रॉ किए, अब P से ड्रॉ कर रहे हैं. एंड यू हैव टू कीप इन योर माइंड दैट द रेडियस शुड बी मोर देन हाफ ऑफ PD, अदरवाइज दे विल नॉट इंटरसेक्ट. ओके, सो यहाँ पे इंटरसेक्टिंग पॉइंट N ले लेते हैं. सो BN को ड्रॉ कर रहे हैं. थ्रू BN वी आर गोइंग टू ड्रॉ वन लाइन. ओके, नाउ एक बार मेजर कर लेते हैं 45 डिग्री एग्जैक्टली आया कि नहीं. ठीक है, नाउ 3.5 का एक आर्क ड्रॉ करना है यहाँ से. सो ड्रॉ कर लिए, इसको मार्क कर लेते हैं पॉइंट Q से. नाउ वी विल ज्वाइन QC. उसके बाद QC को ज्वाइन कर लेते हैं. फिर QC का परपेंडिकुलर बाइसेक्टर ड्रॉ करना है. सो परपेंडिकुलर बाइसेक्टर ड्रॉ करने के लिए C से आर्क ड्रॉ करेंगे दोनों साइड. उसके बाद Q से दोनों साइड आर्क ड्रॉ करेंगे. Okay, both will intersect at 2 points. Now we will join those 2 points. Okay, so इसको R ले लेते हैं and this point is S. Now we will join RS. We will extend, then it will intersect the BX line इसको x लिख लेंगे, bx line at point A. Now we will join AC. Okay, so ABC is the required triangle. इसको जो ग्रीन मार्क कर रहे हैं, this is the required triangle. Okay. Okay. Any doubt in this construction?
No, sir.
Okay.
So let us start with the construction, this one. Okay, so first we will draw a line segment QR is equals to 6 centimeter, and after that, after drawing QR is equals to 6 centimeter, we will construct 60 degree from here with center Q से हम लोग 60 degree construct करेंगे, and we will draw one ray that is QX. Okay, then after that we will because PQ minus PR is negative. Okay, PQ minus PR minus PQ is 2 centimeters, so PQ minus PR will be -2. So we have to take the negative side. उल्टे direction में हम लोग उसको extend करेंगे up to Y. Okay, then we will take a Q as a center and we'll draw 1 2 centimeter arc from here. Okay, which will intersect QY at point A. Then we will join AR. Okay, after joining AR, we will draw the perpendicular bisector of AR. So it will intersect the QX ray at point P. Now join PR. Then after that we'll get a triangle PQR, which is the required triangle. Okay, so this is the briefing of construction. Now let us move towards the construction page. Okay, let us start with the first step. We are going to draw a line segment QR, that is equals to QR is equals to 6 centimeter, it is given. Okay, right, now we are going to take this point as Q and this point as R. Okay, this point is Q, this point is R. Now with center Q we are going to draw one arc of convenient radius which will intersect QR at point D. Now with center D again we are going to draw one more arc of same radius which will intersect the previous arc at point E. Right, so we are constructing 60 degree, right? So this point is E. Now we will join QE up to X. We'll mark this point is X. Okay, so यहाँ पे आप arrow mark लगा लेंगे, so that will become ray. अब उसको मैं next side में extend कर रहा हूँ up to Y. Okay, इसको extend कर रहे हैं up to Y. Now with center Q we are going to draw an arc of 2 centimeter in the negative direction, right? So this point is A, which will intersect QI at point A. Now join AR. After that we will draw the perpendicular bisector of AR. So what we will do, more than half we have to take the radius and we have to draw the arc on both sides. Okay, दोनों साइड से arc draw करेंगे. Then same we will draw with center A both sides. Okay, both will intersect at 2 points. Both will intersect at 2 points B and C. Let this point is B and this point is C. Okay, so now we'll join BC and we'll extend little bit so that it will intersect QX at point P. Okay, this point is P. We'll mark this point is P. After that we will join PR. So that's it. We got PQR is a polygon, right? P, so we'll get PQR. PQR is the required triangle. Okay, so this was the construction 11 point exercise 11.2 of question number 3. By mistake I took PQ minus PR is equals to 2 centimeter. अगर वैसा लेंगे तो ये ऊपर के साइड आपको 2 सेंटीमीटर कट करना होगा. So I took the 2 centimeter above the line QR, but actually it is PR minus PQ. So PQ minus PR will be negative, so we have to take the down 2 centimeter downward. Okay. Construction number 5. Construct a right triangle whose base is 12 centimeter and sum of its hypotenuse and other side is 18 centimeter. So one base side is given, base side, and the sum of other two sides, and base angle is given. Right triangle we have to construct, that means one base angle is 90 degree. Okay, this is very similar to the construction number 1, in which base with one base angle and sum of two other sides is given. Okay, so we'll take base side as BC. BC is equals to 12 centimeter we will draw. Next base angle will take angle B. Angle B is equals to 90 degree. Okay, so see this figure. Suppose BC we have drawn 12 centimeter, so this is 12 centimeter. Now at point D we have to draw 90 degree. Okay, so using compass, how will you draw? One semicircular arc, not exactly semicircular, यहाँ से भी start कर सकते हैं, which will intersect BC at point D. Again with center D, we have to draw one more arc of same radius which will intersect the previous arc at point E. Again with center E, we have to draw one more arc of same radius which will intersect the previous arc, the first arc at point F. Now with center E and F, we have to draw two arcs on the same side such that the radius should be more than half of EF. Okay. Now after that, we have to draw this line. Suppose this is X, BX. Now the sum of two sides is given 18 centimeter. So we have to cut one arc of 18 centimeter radius with center B, which will intersect BX at point P. Now join PC and draw the perpendicular bisector of PC, which will intersect the perpendicular bisector which will intersect BP at point A. Finally, join AC. So ABC is the required triangle. Whether the steps are clear to all of you?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So if the steps is clear, then we'll move towards the construction part. So first of all, we have to draw the base line segment, that is BC is equals to 12 centimeter. एक roughly हम लोग draw कर रहे हैं. We are drawing one rough line segment. We are assuming this line segment as 12 centimeter. So BC is equals to 12 centimeter. After that, we have to draw 90 degree here at B. So एक semicircular arc draw करेंगे, which will intersect BC at point D. Again with center D, we have to draw one more arc which will intersect the previous arc at point E. Again with center E, we have to draw one more arc of same radius which will intersect the previous arc, the first arc at point F. Now what we have to do, with center E and F, we have to draw two arcs on the same side such that the radius should be more than half of EF, otherwise they will not intersect. Okay, so we are drawing the arc with center E. Now with same radius with center F, we are drawing another arc on the same side. Both will intersect at point M. So this is point M. Now through BM, we are going to draw one line. Okay, up to we can take it as X, this one. Now point B से हम लोग एक arc draw कर रहे हैं of length 18 centimeter, which will intersect BX at point P. Now join PC. Now we have to draw the perpendicular bisector of PC. So with center P and C, we have to draw two arcs on the both sides. Okay, both will intersect at 2 points. Center P से किए हैं, अभी C से कर रहे हैं हम लोग. On both sides we have to draw and both arcs will intersect each other at point Q and R. So we'll mark this point as Q and this point as R. After that, we will join QR. This bisector intersect BP at point A. Okay, now we are going to join AC. Okay, so ABC is the required triangle, and this angle is 90 degree, right triangle. The sum of these two sides AB and AC is 18 centimeter and BC is 12 centimeter. Any doubt in this construction?
No, sir.
Okay, so that's all for today's session. Thank you very much.